Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V21e and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So we have to enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on reset. Tap on confirm, and this is the privacy statement which you're probably agreeing to when you're opening the camera for the very first time, and the location. And as you can see here, we've got the camera without the grid lines, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to reset camera preferences in your Vivo V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.